Okay, guys. So at the same time, we went short with the ES. Okay, so ES, as you can see here, here are the prints where the contracts were shorted. Okay, so there you go, there you go. All these contracts were 10 contracts. It made a profits of, as you can see here, 6,861. Okay, so uh, that's it for the ES. Remember that with this program, it uses the footprint. Okay, so the footprint needs to have the plots. If you want to use NinjaTrader's own footprint, we will need to get another indicator that can pull the imbalances from that, because NinjaTrader doesn't the native footprint chart, it doesn't allow for copying the imbalances. They don't have plots. Or else, if you have the Trade Devil's footprint, it will be better. Okay, so remember this. This is a very big account, so don't think it's a 50K account. This is a very big account, uh, because it has a lot of drawdown. So this is for a customer that is throwing. He has a 50K real money account, so he's trading with very big money. Either he loses 10,000 or he wins 10,000 when market is trending. Okay, so this is a game changer, guys. Okay, so remember, I forgot to tell you about it. That remember, guys, that if you are a small trader, go with micros. There's nothing wrong with going with micros. Okay, don't if you don't want to trade those all this all these pullbacks and everything, just leave a small profit. Okay, if you want to win 100, $200, $300, well, it's okay, guys. It's a good amount of money. Okay, so but the problem is that if you want to just win one a little bit, it's very complicated. So scaling in is one of the best practices right now, because Trump and is making a lot of noise with all his tariffs and invading other countries, and well, there's a lot of stuff. With Biden, we didn't have that, so we expect this markets for 2026 to be traded differently. Okay, so still we have many programs, guys. We do have many programs that you can trade. Okay, so for you say about why did you enter here and why did you manage the position. Okay, so why did you say all this shorting? Okay, so we have many programs that can detect all this when everything is short. Okay, so when you see everything is going short, it says when $50 trillion are going short, you don't fight the market, guys. This is a herd mentality. It's like this is like the African animals that they when they work in conjunction, when they go ahead and cross a river, these thousands and thousands of animals crossing. It's the same with it's a herd mentality. The same thing with a human being, guys. It's a herd mentality. We follow what everybody else is doing, so we're not gonna fight that. And there's a time window. Okay, there's time windows where the market works all together at the same time. Sometimes that window works 5 minutes, sometimes that window works 15 minutes, sometimes it works 30 minutes, sometimes works all day, which is very rare to find. But the markets always have a window of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes that you can make your money. And but if you want to scalp, we have the other program, which is the vertical lines and the scalper. Okay, so that's it, guys. Any questions, let me know. Contact me. I will send you information.